Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your continued support. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love if you would do that. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what everyone thinks of my art. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today's piece is on a 20 by 24 inch canvas. I'm doing a burst blowout, and as you can see right now, I'm doing a little bit of measurements because I tend to be a little bit off center when I do my burst blowouts, and I really wanted to try and make sure that I got my center as centered as I possibly could. And as I watched as I'm editing, I did a little more measuring than I actually needed to, but that's okay. My dad always taught me to measure twice and cut once. So here are today's colors. Purple table scrapings with Montmartre purple. You're going to see in this piece that I have used up some purple table scrapings and have mixed them with several other colors to create some really beautiful new colors like this one. So those same purple table scrapings mixed with Amsterdam's permanent red violet created this really pretty berry color that has like a golden sheen to it. This is Montmartre's aqua green. And Pebio's Prussian blue. I often mix my own Prussian blue, but had some Pebio I wanted to use up. And then this is those purple table scrapings mixed with Amsterdam's Prussian blue phthalo. So don't think that you have to mix, a certain color that matches the base color that you've got. I was like, I'm just gonna try this and see what I get. And I got a great color. So this is Amsterdam's Sky Blue Light. I've been using it a lot in my pieces lately. And Deco Art's Dazzling Metallics White Pearl. This is those purple table scrapings again with Montmartre Magenta, which is a very dark magenta. It's very, very dark when it dries, and it turned out really pretty with these, with the light grayish metallic purple table scrapings. And this is Art Mind's Silver. And then my center is Amsterdam's Titanium White mixed with water. So 3 parts paint, 2 parts water. It makes great lacing without having to use Australian Floetrol. I definitely recommend using it in your Dutch pours. Give it a try. All of the Amsterdam paints mixed 3 parts paint to 2 parts water will give you great lacing. It's something that I want to try coming up, is just using paint and water. I haven't done that for an entire piece yet, but definitely want to do that. So let's speed up the video and I will put on some tunes, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you at the close-up. it's close-up time. My favorite time is close-up time. So there is the Amsterdam titanium white mixed with water only. The lacing is absolutely fabulous. One thing that I do recommend with burst blowouts is alternating your metallics. I don't count the purple table scrapings as metallics since there are so many different kinds of paints mixed in with those table scrapings. So anything like my silver, I definitely recommend layering them. One other thing that I did not do with this piece that I usually do is I like to try and leave some space in between the colors. It's been a while since I've done a burst blowout, and as I was putting my circles of paint down, I remembered that I should have left some space in between each of the colors. Not very much, just a little bit, because there always ends up being so much paint to blow around. I'm really loving that berry color that was mixed with the purple table scrapings and the Amsterdam's permanent red violet. This piece turned out absolutely amazing. Love, love, love. So it is for sale. I will hopefully have it up on my website very soon. However, if you are interested, all you need to do is send me an email to amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you had a great time. Take care, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!